You ever wonder why some experiments never make it to the news? Not because they failed, but because they worked. Back in 2016, a geneticist named Dr. William Harrow disappeared from his lab in Colorado. The place was found locked from the inside. Security cameras cut, notes burned, samples missing. Officially, they said he went insane after a failed bio-research project. But what really happened inside that lab was something no one was supposed to see. Dr. Harrow had been studying cellular reanimation, trying to reverse engineer DNA sequences that could rebuild dead tissue. It started with frogs and rats, and it worked. The tissue moved, twitched, came back to life for seconds at a time. But that wasn't enough. He wanted more. He began splicing ancient viral DNA, extracted from permafrost samples, strains older than humanity itself. He believed it contained a biological reboot code, something that could reignite a dead organism completely. Then one night, according to his digital logs, he injected the recombinant DNA into a preserved human cadaver, an anonymous donor from the medical department freezer. The system recorded a pulse 15 minutes later. That's where the logs end. 3 days later, the lab was sealed off by biohazard teams. The official report mentioned an airborne contaminant. But the cleanup crew talked, anonymously. They said the walls were smeared with handprints. The doors had deep scratch marks from inside, and Dr. Harrow, his remains were never found. Only his ID badge, bent in half. Months later, hikers found something buried near the site, a jar sealed in steel. Inside was a glass vial labeled LZR01 and a note, open quote, "Don't let it breathe, don't let it learn," close quote. The vial was confiscated by military bio-research. But leaked emails from 2020 mention an incident at Site 19, where lab personnel reported hearing voices, the same voice, coming from inside containment. They said the thing inside moved even after being burned. And now, strange videos keep surfacing online. People in remote towns talking about pale figures wandering near woods and riverbanks. No eyes, no sound, just movement. Jerky, fast, wrong. The CDC keeps calling it drug-induced psychosis. But every autopsy comes back the same. Cells refusing to die, still dividing after brain death. Maybe Dr. Harrow did it. Maybe he found the key to bringing the dead back. But if he did, he never figured out how to make them stay dead.